Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raja, and I'm here with a new review and a new review about one of a very good hosting company. And very well known. I recently also created a post on my blog for it, and now I'm here with a video review regarding it, and that is none other than Host Armada, one of the very finest hosting company, and you can see over here Host Armada. So right now, in case if you click on my link in the description, you will also get amazing discount deals. But the main purpose of creating a video is not about telling you about the discount deals, but about the functions, features, and why Host Armada is one of the good options to host your website on. So for instance, if you see around, they emphasize on cloud web hosting. Cloud web hosting is a very good hosting, where you have actually practically almost zero downtime, which is very good, very fast and secure hosting company. The plan starts at $2.49, and all of the plans have free domain, free SSL, free website transfer, and free web optimization. By free website transfer, it means that in case if you are coming from another hosting company, they are going to make sure to the procedure of migrating to them is going to be free and easy for you. So now look around on the plan and pricing. So you can see that if you click on the link, you're getting amazing discount like shared hosting from 2.49, reseller $21, and the VPS and dedicated CPN $29.9. So let's first look around on the plans. So then we can look more on the features they are providing, and I hope we can cover some through their plans as well. So let's start with Cloud SSD shared hosting plans. So over here you can see that all have free SSL, free website migration, free web servers, free cPanel control panel, free daily backups. Okay, not all companies provide daily backup with all of their shared plans. Host Armada provided, which is a very good addition. The second, very attractive thing is that they provide in one of the industry's best. cPanel has been industry's best control panel for your web hosting from years, not from today, from years. So Host Armada provides that cPanel based web hosting, which is a very good add-on, industry's best, very easy to use, and comes with a lot of functions and one click installer with cPanel. So that is a very good addition by Host Armada. Second is they have low number of clients per server. Again, cloud SSD technology, as solid state drive, very fast, 24/7 technical support, fast hosting with cloud SSD. And then you can see that they got a Trustpilot award as well. If I look around on their Trustpilot reviews, let me see, what kind of reviews. I know that not all companies have all 5-star reviews, but oh, they got 4.9, which is just amazing. Although they got some 4 3 stars reviews as well, but 4.9 is a very very good, amazing, excellent number for any hosting company. So just looking around on the recent random reviews: 5 star, 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 5 star. So lots of 5 star reviews. So and yeah, so like technical support is fast, everyone praising them. Okay, so almost all of the reviews are 5 star, but I can understand that not all can be 5 star all the time. But so now and now let's move on to the cloud reseller plans. So for the cloud managed reseller plans, they are providing SSL, WAF, and malware protection. So your websites and your because in the reseller you can also create sub accounts for your clients. So that are also being protected with the malware protection. Free Lightspeed enterprise web server, free white label plus personal name server. So your clients can have a name servers on your main website like ns1.yourname.com. So the clients can know that you are the hosting company. Free daily backups. The daily backup was also convincing in the shared hosting plan that you are also getting daily backup with all of the plans, which was just amazing. And you can see even the shared hosting plans were just amazing. StarDog, WebWrap, SpeedWrapper with amazing pricing, and even the reseller plans are just amazing with SiteDust, ProtoSeller, WebGiant, SiteNova, a lot of functions powered by Lightspeed, getting amazing cPanel accounts options, TB bandwidth, white label protections. If you look around in the shared plans, again you're getting a lot of resources with SSD storage, core CPU, RAM, website. So a lot of stuff over here as well. Do your research on what functions, features you may need. For the majority of the people, StarDoc or WebWrap is the best is in them. And if I look around on the cloud VPS plans, look around over here, you are getting KVM virtualization, again malware protection, cloud SSD storage, free backup, technical support. Plan starts at $29.9, full root level of access on demand, Again, the reviews and then the pricing start from $29.95, goes till $74.23. So 74, again, this is a monthly. If I look on a quarterly, you know, pay every 3 months, that is a more cheaper option, because you're getting save up to 25% on the initial sign up as well. So my recommendation is to offer the maximum amounts of months so you can have this amazing pricing. You are getting 5 cPanel accounts with the VPS hosting. So interestingly, reseller hosting is better because you are getting more accounts to host, but the difference is between the resources. Like you're getting more resources in VPS, so you're getting one SSD, 160 GB SSD storage, 4 core CPU, 8 GB RAM, 5 TB bandwidth. So you're getting a lot of stuff over here. So that is a very good add-on over here. So that is a very good thing about Host Armada. I mean Armada. Okay, so what convinced me over here is cloud technology, lightning fast website, loading speed, web security, especially malware protection, which is just amazing. Protects your website from malicious attacks. Daily backups was another convincing feature for me. And then you are getting cPanel, guaranteed stability and uptime, good technical support. And then you have data centers within reach of your visitors. Like they are providing ample of data center options, which is again a very good option. Like you can host your website in USA, Europe, Mumbai, Asia, Sydney. So you have ample of options to do. So you can host your website on any location out of these. So that is a very good add-on. Again, in my opinion, that is very good. And then again, the reviews are very satisfactory, very satisfactory. And there is another thing, I want you guys to have as I want you guys to see around over here is the money back guarantee, and that is 45 days money back guarantee. 45 days money back guarantee. Even in the reseller, even in the VPS plans, you have a 7 days money back guarantee, but in the reseller or SSD, you are getting 45 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing. I was using another hosting company and I hardly had 30 days for that. So 45 days means 15 days more. Although you can figure out in 2 to 3 days, but 45 days is sufficient time to decide on if it's a good hosting company or not. So right now, with the data I have and especially the reviews on Trustpilot, are just amazing for Host Armada. And my recommendation is to definitely offer Host Armada and keep on the pricing functions, competitive pricing with lots of features. It's one of the best deals around. And make sure to click on the link in the description to get started and avail your discounted link to get Host Armada. So I look forward for you guys to use Host Armada, and if in case if you have any word to add on, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.